Hello everyone, I'm Oribel Joy Divine, a channeler, Akasha expert, and teacher. I created the Alien Contact Workshop for many who are awakening to their own divinity and who are ready to reach out to their galactic family to experience the connection they once knew but have forgotten. Here are the highlights of the workshop. Meet different ET races energetically and tune in to their different frequencies. Learn to channel their messages and share them with others. Ask questions of these higher ascended beings and receive higher truths. Be a ground crew. Collaborate with an ET race on a project for the new Earth if this is your sacred mission. Attend 4 days of practice sessions post-workshop. And finally, see a past life on another planet. I will guide you step by step, and you will discover your multidimensional abilities and how expansive you are. Through sharing my experiences with you, you will discover the benevolence and love the star beings have for humanity. Your own personal experiences too will show you this. Elevate and expand your consciousness to the next level. We will meet again 4 more times after the workshop ends, so you can continue channeling messages from these ascended beings. My purpose is to get you reacquainted with our galactic brothers and sisters, as this is the future role, a bigger role that the awakened ones will be playing. This is a workshop for world servers and would-be world servers, and it is our destiny to reach for the stars, literally, to our greater family of light. If you cannot make it for this group event in Singapore, I provide online private tutorials and I work one-to-one with you. My schedule is flexible and we meet on Zoom for the lessons and a follow-up practice session. If you find this exciting, I invite you to learn more about it and register for this event. I leave the link to my website in the info box below. Until my next video, I wish you peace and harmony at all times. Please continue shining your light as it is very much needed right now. I'm Oribel, the new Lemurian.